Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device, so actually how to manage it. So first of all, let's begin with opening the settings, and now we have to scroll down in order to find accounts. As you can see here, we've got a whole Google section, and of course you can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using accounts. So let me tap on it and tap on add account, and of course that was a misclick. Let's tap on add account. Choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, you can just enter the first part of your email, just before the @ symbol. Let's tap on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got a Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. So let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so simply tap on accept. And as you can see, our Google account simply appears on this list, which means that we just successfully added it to this device. And of course, you can remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And actually that's all. Of course, if you will have your pattern PIN or password set, then you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step, but if not, as you can see, it's very easy. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your SONY Xperia 5 Mark III. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.